In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a file from Google Drive. Whether you're looking to share via email or by using a link, I'll guide you through the process and offer some tips to ensure everything goes smoothly. So, let's get started. First things first, head over to drive.google.com and log into your Google account. This step is crucial as it gives you access to all of your stored files on Google Drive. Once you're signed in, you'll want to navigate through your files and find the specific file or folder you intend to share. Whether it's a document, image, or an entire folder, make sure it's ready to go. Once you've found it, simply right-click on the file or folder, and from the selection menu that appears, choose the option marked Share. This action will open up the sharing window. Here, you'll see a field where you can enter the email addresses of the people you're sending the file to. It's handy because you can add multiple recipients if needed. Just separate those emails by a comma. Now, it's important to set the correct permission level for your file sharing. You can choose from Viewer, Commenter, or Editor, depending on what level of access you'd like to grant. A viewer can look at the file, a commenter can leave feedback, and an editor has the ability to make changes. So, think carefully about what level is appropriate for your audience. You might also want to add a personal message in the text box provided. It could be something simple like, "Here's the file we discussed," or whatever suits your needs. Once that's done, simply hit the Send button, and voila! Your work is on its way. Alternatively, if you'd prefer to share the file using a link rather than sending it directly via email, there's an easy way to do that too. In this same share window, you'll notice an option to copy link. If you want anyone with the link to be able to view or edit the file, which can be particularly useful for broader sharing, choose the settings option, Anyone with the link. Once your link settings are set as desired, go ahead and click on that Copy Link button. Now, you can paste this link into any app, be it an email, chat message, or any other communication tool you use to share with your recipients. Remember, sharing files through Google Drive is a flexible and powerful way to collaborate with others. Knowing how to adjust sharing settings and permissions can prevent the headaches of denied access or unwanted changes. So don't hesitate to revisit these options to ensure you're sharing just the way you intend to. And that's all you need to know about sending files using Google Drive. Happy sharing!